Hello everyone, apply some hair wax on your perfect hair and split your hair into two sections and form a ponytail into continuous manner and have a braid at the end and make a bell shape and secure it. Have ponytails on four sections of your hair from the back and attach the bottom one to the top and make a lovely fluffy hairband onto your ponytail, split them into two and hide the tips beneath it, then have a lovely hairband of your choice. Grab a section of hair in the top part and make a lovely ponytail, make a twisted band and braid it, and grab the hair from the sides in the front section and put them inside the braid holes, then braid it at the bottom part, then combine the braids and have your beautiful hair clutcher. Apply some hair wax on your beautiful hair, divide into two sections and make a ponytail and have a beautiful hair clutcher that has ribbons, and braid your hair along with the ribbons, and in the back section of the hair combine the braid and braid it along with that, then have a C-shaped curve. Make two braids on top section of the hair and make a heart-shaped design and secure the rubber on top. In the side section, make hair ties and apply hair wax at the back and combine both of them with a braid. Apply some hair wax and grab a section of hair from the top, make a ponytail and divide into two and braid it. On the sides, make two more braids and combine the first two and the last two together with a hair clutcher and combine the middle portion of the hair from behind and make two ponytails. Divide your hair into two sections and make a continuous ponytail twice and braid it. In the bottom section of the hair, combine it forming a little bunch and form a bow tie design at the ends. Apply some hair wax, divide your hair into two sections and form a ponytail and bring that tail inside, forming a loop. Then with the remaining hair, wax it and grab enough hair from the sides of the bottom section and braid it completely from top to bottom in a very thick manner. So you have to braid your innerwards and make the braid curve to the top. Apply some hair wax and divide your hair into two sections and start braiding it all the way from top to bottom in the middle section of the hair. Borrow the hair only from the front section, leaving the back as such so that it forms a closed shape. Once when you braid it, have lots of rubber bands attached to it. Thank you guys for watching this video.